Yo, what is up guys, my name is Akil, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to create your own United States bank account. Okay, this video is especially for those people who are not US citizen in Malaysia, India, Indonesia, it doesn't matter, all around the world. Okay, this is for those people who want to receive payment from Amazon, KDP, and also in Etsy if you guys are not from US. So if you guys like this video, please make sure to smash that like button, and without further ado, let's go. Alright guys, so here we are to my desktop, and this video will be a quite short video because this tutorial I'm showing is quite simple. It's really easy. So first of all, just open up your web browser, Google or anything, Bing. Okay, if you guys are using Bing, so what you guys have to do is just type in WISE, W-I-S-E, and then just click enter, and then here we are. It will give us the international account, money without borders, WISE. Okay, one thing that I want to tell you guys, actually there are two ways to receive money. The first one would be WISE, and the second would be Pioneer. All right, you can also use a Pioneer right here. But for this video, I'm just showing how to register on WISE because I use WISE by myself. And then money for here, there, and everywhere. Alright, so what you guys have to do is just press right here, register. And what you guys have to do is just open an account or register on the top right corner here. So I'm just going to open up an account, and then they will tell us to put in your email. Okay, you guys can also log in through your Google account, Facebook, or also your Apple ID. After you guys have put in your email, now it is time to choose. Is either you want to create your own personal account or you want to make it as a business account. For me, I just choose a personal account. Okay, and then now just put in what country do you live. And for me, I am a Malaysian, so I'm just going to put Malaysia. And I know some of my viewers, first of all, is from United States and also from India. So we got India right here. You guys can choose India and Morocco. I know there's so many, but I'm going to choose Malaysia because I am from Malaysia. Now it's just simple as that. Just press continue, and then they will ask you guys to put in your phone number for verification. After you guys have verified your mobile phone number, now it is time to create your own password. So just put in your password and everything. Now it is time to set up your account. So WISE are asking me what would you like to do now. So there are three types, which is send money. You guys can send your money, your currency, to other people's country. You can also get a card for you guys can spend it when you guys go to vacation from other country. And also open account in a new currency. Okay, this is the part where we are going to choose for this video because we are going to receive US dollar from Amazon and also Etsy. So just choose open account in a new currency. So get started with balance, hold and convert around 50 currencies, and also receive money from a bot, which is, this is important because we are going to receive money from Amazon and also Etsy. Okay, so just press let's go. And as usual, it is time to just put all of your details, and I'm just going to skip this step. You guys just put your own detail and I'll be right back. And after you guys have put in all of your details, your address and everything, your name, so it is time to choose your currency. Okay, for me, I'm going to choose two currency, which is the first one would be Malaysian ringgit. You'll be able to, so you guys can read here, you'll be able to hold Malaysian ringgit to pay for future transfer. You can't add Malaysian ringgit directly, but you can still get Malaysian ringgit by converting it from another currency in your account. So I'm just going to press confirm. Now this is the boring part, which is you guys have to complete this step to get your account details. First of all, you guys have to deposit amount. For Malaysian ringgit, you have to upload you have to deposit around 101 ringgit. If you guys are from other country, they have also the amount that they needed. So just follow the details right here. So I'm just going to deposit the 100 ringgit. So just press here, get account details. So guys, now it is time to deposit the money, which is 101 Malaysian ringgit. I'll be right back after deposit the money. Okay, but one thing you guys have to take note is that after deposit, we can withdraw it right back. So don't worry, you guys can just deposit it. Oh yeah, before I forgot, there's something that you guys have to put in, so I'm just going to put in Malaysia for now, and then just confirm and continue. Occupation, you guys have to put in your details. Okay, I'm just going to put the details, so I'm just going to continue. And now it is time, use your phone to verify your identity. So I'm just going to verify my identity. First of all, what you have to do, you guys can verify it by using your email or just scan your QR code, but I'm just going to use get link by email, which is a bit more easier. And this is it, guys, an example that I received an email from Wise, and they tell us to confirm your email. So I'm just going to confirm my email right here. Just click on it and then email verified. So basically my email has been verified, so we're going to continue, and then we have our account right here. Okay, we have everything right now, and that is it, guys. I have opened my Wise account, so you guys can see here I have 0 Malaysian ringgit, and then I can open a new account. So we are going to open a new account because we are going to need a US account. So balance right here, just open it up and then choose your currency. We are going to choose USA, which is US dollar, and just press confirm. And then yeah, we got our own account right here, so we can receive, we can send, or we can convert. So let's say you guys can see here, get account details. If you click right here, and then they will bring us right here. So you have to complete the steps that are given, which is deposit the 101 Malaysian ringgit, complete verify your identity, and also deposit the money. Alright guys, if you guys are asking how do you want to confirm your verification, okay, if you guys open up your email, I'm going to put on the screen right here, they will ask you guys to take a selfie and also to take a picture of your ID, national ID card, okay? And that's basically it, and let it for a few minutes for them to verify your account. And then the second part, which is if you guys open your email, just check all of the emails that you receive from Wise. Okay, you guys can click here, finish getting account details. Okay, open up Wise email, finish getting account details, and then you have to put another detail, which is which money do you want to receive, which country. I've put USA and Malaysia, and also how much do you plan to move with Wise. So basically you have to inform how many money that you're going to receive from Wise. Okay, so basically I'm just going to put around 0 to 11,000 Malaysian ringgit. So I'm just going to continue. How would you like to pay? Okay, now it is time to pay the amount of 101 Malaysian ringgit. So I'm just going to transfer for a minute, and I have transferred my amount, which is 101 Malaysian ringgit. So I'm just going to press track your transfer. How difficult or easy was it to set up this transfer? I'll give it 6. Just submit, it doesn't matter. Okay, so now I have added my money, and yeah, so it will come in around 27 September. So I'm just going to get out of this transaction. So yeah guys, that is basically it. There's 2 steps, which is taking the picture of your national ID and also deposit around 101 ringgit if I'm in Malaysia. If India, you get rupees. If Japan, in yen. After all of those are done, I've opened up my main Wise account, because the one that I show was my mom's. I was making her account, so this time I'm just showing my account. Okay, because my mom's account, if you guys have deposit 101 ringgit, you have to wait around 3 or 5 days until the money have been transferred into Wise. So I just show you an example after the money have been transferred. So I'm just showing you my account right here. So let's say I'm just going to show my US dollar account. I'm going to click on it, and then you guys can click right here your bank account detail, but the thing you're seeing right now is blurred because, well, obviously I'm not showing you my account. So I'm just going to click on it, and here we are. That's all of those details: the account holder, the wire routing number, account number, and what type of account. And my account is in New York, United States. So let's say in Amazon KDP and also at sea, you guys can just put the account number details, or wire routing a number. So that's basically it. Yeah, so it's quite easy. If you guys have some question, just leave it in the comments below. And if you guys like this video, please do smash that like button, and if you want to see more, please do consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye, see ya.